While building our application, we're going to follow the MVVM architecture. MVVM, which stands for Model-View-ViewModel, is an architectural pattern commonly used in Android app development to separate the concerns of the user interface and business logic. We have three layers: model, view, and ViewModel. The view is responsible for rendering the user interface and presenting data to the user. In Android, the view is typically implemented using XML layout files and widgets like text views, image views, and etc. This layer observes the view model and doesn't contain any kind of application logic. The view model is an intermediary between the view and the model. It contains the presentation logic and transforms the data from the model into a format that can be easily displayed by the view. In Android, the view model is typically implemented as a class that provides data to the view and handles user interactions. It also retains data across configuration changes, for example, screen rotations, using the Android view model architecture component. The model layer represents the data and business logic of the application. It encapsulates the data and operations that are performed on that data. In Android, the model often consists of data sources such as databases, web services, or repositories that manage data retrieval and storage. We followed MVVM architecture in the previous sections to build many applications and fetching the data from different data sources. So for example, if you go back to the Contacts Manager application, we fetched the data from local data source, which is the room database. Also, we'll build two applications using the remote data source. The first one is the movie app that fetches the data from the TMDB API and display a list of popular movies in our application. The second app that follows the MVVM architecture and using the remote data source is the quiz app that fetches the data from localhost from our database, MySQL database, and display the questions to the user. In this application, we're going to introduce a new concept, which is the Firebase. So we're going to follow the MVVM architecture while fetching the data from Firebase, while authenticating users with Firebase authentication, and while fetching the messages and data from the Firebase real-time database. So are you excited? I am very excited. So let's move to Android Studio